doesn't...
Well, see, I think what we have to do is, in fact, why ultimately the police was also taken a very swift action accordingly to this, because we are really concerned, because this statement made by that boy is purely anti-national. It will affect not only for Meghalaya, it will affect for the whole country, and not that it will encourage, especially it will encourage these illegal activities, which will ultimately create a lot of security threat to the citizens of the state as well as to the citizens of India as a whole. Therefore, we have noted down very, very seriously on this issue, and that's why swift action has been taken. And my request to all the citizens of the state and also the citizens of the nation as a whole, let us stand united, and we will not allow such anti-national activities to happen again throughout the country.
So